Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on beautiful Panama City Beach and beyond. Beachy Beach. Today we've got a wonderful beach house, 3 stories. You've got a huge shower outside so you can check everything out, or if there's just not enough space inside, you can send the kids out there. Covered, you've got a pool, everything that you would want to have a beach house just moments away from right here. Welcome to this 3-story beach house. You have sleeping arrangements for 12. Your whole family can be here, or guests can have their whole family here, and we are just moments from the sand and the water. Down here, as you can see, plenty of open living space. You've got your kitchen, beautiful quartz countertops. Some of the features in this home are downstairs. We do have 1 bedroom and a separate bathroom. It's not a full ensuite for guests to stay, and that you've got that bathroom so you don't have to move upstairs. Now let's move up to the 2nd story and check out the main sleeping quarters before we go to the 3rd story and check out the added quarters that are up there as well. And here we are in this expansive main ensuite. So much light coming in, so much room, and I love the extra special detail of these vaulted ceilings, and it makes it feel so much more grand. You've got a whole armoire here and a dresser with a chair. I mean, there's just plenty of room. And this ensuite is to die for. I mean, look at the finishing details here. You've got a beautiful shelf hidden behind the door, the shiplap in the shower. I've not seen that before. And of course, your dual sinks. Here is your main ensuite, and there are 3 more bedrooms. Plus, we're gonna go see an extra sneak peek at the tippy top. Welcome to this great top floor extra little bunk suite for the kiddos, or even for some bigger kiddos or whatnot. I love it up here. You've got all of this light flooding in. You've kind of got some privacy. And what's super neat is you get peekaboo views of the water. But speaking of peekaboo views, let's just go check it out and we'll finish this up. Welcome to this oasis of a backyard. So before we hit the beach, I wanted you to see the luxurious living that you've got right here. If it's a bad day out on the water, you can go ahead and join here. Or if mom and dad are tired, the kids can come on out here and you're just right at it. You've got this beautiful pool, and look at all this outdoor lounging. It's just fantastic. So for more information on this beautiful home, look in the description link below. I've got the listing link for all the extra details of how many can sleep, how many beds, more pictures, all the things. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you don't miss out on an adorable house like this.